is hashtag DiaRey. And yes, it's already April 17 and I am so excited to say that I am 23 years old. So this is hashtag Reyna 2 Dekada at Tatlo. And yeah, this is my bare face because I'm gonna sleep. Sana, but our dearest friend called me and yeah, so I have a pimple, but anyways, I don't mind this pimple because I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Although I don't have any plans for today, but I hope that my friends remember me and at least they have a surprise or greetings, but hopefully they will use my birthday challenge greeting. But anyways, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do, what to expect on this day, but I'm so excited to see what is chapter 23 all about. So that's it. So let's wait for this day because it's already 12:30 and I want to sleep, but nawala yung antok ko dahil sa excitement. So first puyat sa April 17 as 23 years old. So thank you. So it's my birthday and I'm here with my family, with my father and brother sa seaside for lunch. Thank you. For my turn. So look, who's with me after my lunch with my family. After our lunch with my brother and father. Hi, Kier.
Speaking Tagalog.
Hello po. So kinakain niya po ang kuan. Beso sa dugaan. Di ba sa takuan? Hi, Kier. Libre ni. So we're meeting our friends later, ha? Oh my gosh, di mo ta clear skin. So I'm gonna change outfit. First skin right? 1, 2, ano sila di ipon kay managhan. Ano yun? Ayaw, oy. Hinoon ko. Makailan ako niya first time.
Oo, hindi mo. Kambal naman doon.
Yeah, kambal nga. Mas gwapa pa ko.
Dalaan daw ko yung limunas.
Mas lapat mo siya. Hey! What's your birthday greeting?
Uy naman. Oo, nakadinig ko.
Uy, nanaway yung output na yun mo na.
Wala mo, word mo.
Birthday lang, uy.
Happy birthday.
Why, uma? Magmas ko? Happy birthday!
Here. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday! What?
Happy birthday.
To me?
Yeah, me.
No!
Please.
No!
Please.
Happy birthday!
Oh.
I hate you still.
Ako rin single din rin, no? Charot.
Nakaanak ko ba ka ng konti ko sa work ko yan? Kayo din na. Kapila na ako mag-ilak sa balay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Iblo na mo kanta na si katawa dito.
Pamain po.
Ako rin siya. Wala din siya tatsa. Walay ko.
Like your mind pink.
Pink na pink. Oh, tayo sila.
1, 2, 3.
Tanog live. We're from home.
Wala yung musul o ba? Eh, ang ate din sa musul.
Be, next birthday na ako na, Be. Birthday, mo na birthday outfit.
Uy, gano'n ito ko ni Bers. Napagod akong struck na ka-creative.
Ay, guba ba? So, wala ko yung nadawatan na.
Ay. Oh my gosh, the mabolo pips. Oh God, kasakit. Hi, Brandon.
Hello.
Sige, kanya ka si Taklay, okay rin siya kayo klay. Kuyog lang siya klay.
Sir, boy!
Theory. Meron ko sinyo na bukuwi na siya i-consider. Nay ko.
Nanay mga paan. Hindi ko makabasa magka-outing ta kaya walwal with balay.
Okay. Ako rin si Kwame niya.
Karang niwala ko. Kita rami, Brandon. Kala kita rami. Maloya din. Sariling sikap. Nakita rami. Basta. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, I'm on my way home, which is, I would likely say, and I'm so grateful to my friends and family who showed love to me on this day, and for everyone who greeted me. Hi everyone, I would like to thank you all for all the greetings through Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, and even calling me and texting me. I really appreciate all the effort, all the love, all the care, and all the support you gave me on my special day, which is #Renato Dekada at Tatlo. And yeah, I would like to thank my family, relatives, and friends for all the effort they gave me on this day. To my friends, thank you for that intimate surprise dinner. Yeah, I never expect that to happen on this day. And I love you all, and guide me also for taking this journey with you and with the Lord. And yeah, I love you all, and thank you very much, and God bless us all. Again, this is Ray, and this is #DiaRey, and this is Renato Dekada at Tatlo. I love you.